Haylaya, may pangalan award na
kaagapay sa bagong Pilipinas. We are all gathered today to celebrate a milestone for both students and teachers. A time for us to recognize what we have accomplished for our dear institution. Now, let me mention a quote by Larry Olubart. Life is not always a bed of roses. Looking back on the journey that we have faced, it is undeniable that we endured challenges and sacrifices which genuinely reflect our commitment and resilience as learners or teachers. Despite all the obstacles that we've encountered, we remain focused on reaching our goals and determined to keep moving forward, demonstrating our perseverance. We may have gone through hardships at times, yet it was all worthwhile as we have gained valuable lessons along our journey. Now at this very moment, let us set everything aside and express our gratitude for this day. This may somehow seem as an end for a journey, but we also have to remember that every ending is a new beginning. To my fellow learners, I would like to extend my sincerest congratulations. I hope that we will reach our fullest potential and achieve our goals in life. May we cherish the moments and memories that we have shared together. Furthermore, let's continue to uphold the legacy of being Regionalians with pride. Thank you, and once again, congratulations.